Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. It is 5:15 in the morning, and where we're heading, Ellie?
To Belgium.
We're heading to Belgium. So yeah, I can't find my windscreen mount to do TerryTracker trademark time warps, so I'll just give you little snippets on the way down to the ferry. Well, our ferry has not docked yet. So, for the first time ever, I'm going to go to the terminal building here at Dover because I need a weebie. Well, I didn't film anything in there because there was a recorded message playing over and over and over again. Anywho, there is a Burger King, there's a Costa Coffee and a WH Smith. There's also a Travelex to change your money into euros, but it's very expensive. So I don't advise using it. You get less than €1 per pound. Well folks, as you can see behind me, we are in the P&O Club Lounge, which you have inclusive drinks, soft drinks, alcoholic beverages, fresh juices and food, hot and cold. I love Club Lounge and it's not very much money. Yeah, this is only one section with the coffees and nuts and cookies and soft drinks and alcoholic drinks. Wait till the hot food comes out. So as part of the Club Lounge, you get your own private outside decking area with sun loungers. And on a day like today, I can understand that. We've got the Spanish chicken, rice, we also have potatoes, which I didn't get, and fish cake. They are absolutely delicious. I had that last time. And you also get roasted Mediterranean veg, I suppose. Vegetable medley.
Yeah.
Because I seen a news flash on my phone of a dinghy full of illegal immigrants attempting to cross the channel from France to England, and it overturned and sank, and there was 2 people drowned on it. So I've come outside to see if I can actually see if there's anything going on, but I would imagine that was probably earlier on if the news companies are broadcasting it now, because I'm sure it wouldn't be live now, would it? Yeah, I can't see anything going on anyhow. French naval boat. May as well have a lie down on the lounge. France. Well, here we are, we're in Ostend, we've made it. We're gonna have a quick look at the beach and then head back into the hotel. But that Ferris wheel isn't normally here, so there must be something going on for the summer. It's a big Samsung Galaxy advert. So that statue up there is King Leopold. Now, he was known for taking over the Congo. Now, what he used to do to the slaves is take their hands off. Now, this statue makes the Congolese people look like they're worshipping him. So what somebody came along and done was show the world what he used to do to people, and chop the hand off one of them. I have been coming to Ostend for years, like 20 years, and I have never ever seen it this busy. All my days. Anywho, we're back at the hotel now, so I'm going to sign off now. Not sure if I'm going to film too much when I'm in Belgium, maybe on a night time, I don't know, because we're just going to be doing a Rihanna. Work, 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 work.
Work, 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 work.
Yeah, so that's all I'm going to be doing until Wednesday, when we go to Efteling, the theme park, supposed to be the prettiest theme park in Europe. So that will be on Wednesday. So see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Magic hand.